What's the meaning of cadence? Cadence. Cadence.
Cadence. Cadence. Cadence is a term used to describe the rhythm or flow of a particular sound or movement. It often refers to the pattern of sound in music, poetry, or language, and can also describe the pace or speed of physical movements such as running or cycling. A pleasing cadence is characterized by its regularity and predictability, while a jarring or irregular cadence can be disruptive or unsettling. In everyday speech, the term can also be used to refer to the tone or style of someone's speaking pattern or writing style. Ultimately, cadence is a crucial element of many forms of communication and can significantly impact how a message is received.